Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a KSCraft project share. I've been really having fun with some of the new releases and I thought I'd come on and share what I've created. So the first step I'm going to show you is the banner die. The jumbo paperclip rather, I'm sorry. It is a big banner though. And this is such a cute set. It has very minimal parts to it, but again, you have this large piece that you fold in half. Either you use a paper clip or you can use, I used a paper straw from one of them. So, and then you get the layering pieces for both. So it makes it nice and easy. These fringes are so cute. And you get the post stamps. So one does actually cut the frame. And one is like the whole solid piece, just so you know. I did layer them up and I did use it, but I'll show you what I created. And I believe some of these items will be available on Amazon if they're not available yet. But again, I'll leave all links down below. So I only have one jumbo paperclip, and that's like such a shame because I'm not sure why I don't have any more. But I think this is the round trip collection. So I have a couple of collections of Maggie on my desk, and I'm just going to freestyle it. So here's my jumbo paper clip. I did some simple layering. Again, there's that fringe. Probably should have just done it like one-sided because you can kind of see the back of this, but I finished the back as well. So, and it doesn't line up perfectly. But anyways, it's really simple layering. I love how this came out. And then this one, I made it a little hanging one. So I did a little twine and a little disco bead to give it a little fun accent. And here is the straw. I actually kind of like the straw too. I did feed the twine through the straw and then sealed it up with some pom-poms at the end. And again, you got the little suitcase. This is that stamp set, the stamp die that comes with. I cut out the sentiment that said best day ever. And then I use like that layering pink, the frame, to just kind of make that. And I just love, I love a sentiment on all my embellishments. I just think I don't know, it's not an embellishment without a sentiment. So love how this came out. Next up, we have the retro or vintage wall phone. Keep calling it retro phone because that's how I see it. And I posted a picture on Instagram. These came out so adorable. I made this using the new Woodland Grove, I believe. Again, all the florals start to kind of like look the same, but I did back this in 110-pound cardstock because I wanted this to be super sturdy. And I really never use green, or only for flowers maybe, but I really love the pops of green, so I wanted to accent that and then again touch upon the pinks and give it that little layer. And again, all of these little pieces come with the die set, so it is simply adorable. So many different things you can do with this. This I made a little yellow phone and then I used like gold accents. So cute. I love this die so much. I think I could really come back to this, but I did my little floral numbers. So I love how those came out. Next up, I have the round shaped Memdex. And this is a really simple die. It has, kind of like that scallop and then the layering piece. And these are some flowers that I didn't get to use. But I posted this on Instagram and I really wanted a kind of like a floral Memdex. So I just used that. This is the little envelope die. You can kind of see it peeking from the back. So I already created this envelope in my previous design team, but I love the little sentiment that was right in the front, and then bloom obviously is perfect. And I tucked a bunch of fun little greeneries, little sprigs. This is a beautiful layered flower that I got from one of my design teams, and I just tucked a bunch of florals in. This little flower is also KSCraft die. So a lot of different little fun elements, and I love how beautiful this is. And yeah, it's just a little floral bouquet. Next up, I have, what is this? The tea bag holder, and there's a lot of fun little accents in this. I wanted to create this one just to include some die cuts or something, or sentiments. So honestly, I've seen it where it's on the other side, but I like this to kind of say, hey, open it from here, which I added a little Velcro dot and decorated the front instead of having this be the front. I don't know if that makes sense. So again, this is a really simple die to put together, and I did some simple layering, a little rosette, I mean not a rosette, pleated vellum. I'm obsessed with this pink vellum that I got from Amazon. And then I just did a little rosette and a little ephemera pieces. And again, another thing I've been obsessed with is adding seed beads as flower centers. So yeah, I just love how that looks. It just gives it a little texture to it. So I'm gonna open it up, and this is the inside. So I added little acetate inserts because I love how easy they are to slip out. And these actually do come with the die set rather. So you get a layering present, you get hugs and kisses, tea time, you got a lot of sentiments, and I wanted to show you what they look like as well. And I just did a kind of offsetting pink and mint. I love how these came out. I thought these were little perfect little embellishments to share in this little tea bag holder pocket, right? So cute. And that's just how that goes. I did add a little resin piece that I got from Ali, and of course I added this vellum butterfly right at the hinge of the door, but it's fine. I love how this came out. I think it's so pretty. And this paper from Winlet Grove is obviously one of my favorites. I went back and ordered a bunch. I could use this all day long. I love that it has pinks. I love it has those little blue accents, and I love the yellow in this, and I think it's just kind of touching upon all of my favorite crafty colors. I don't really get to use blue as often, but I will. And I love how this came out. And last but not least, I've not decorated this. This is the 3D teacup. And I did follow a tutorial, which I'll leave down below. It was really simple enough for me to follow. And I created mine in a lavender. This is also the Woodland Grove paper. I created it in this pretty like ombre purple color. I haven't decided how I wanted to decorate it. This is a spoon. Again, it's really not difficult to put together. There's just a lot of pieces to cut, and I'll be back to show you how I decorate this. But I think the new release has so many fun new dies, and I can't wait to create with a couple of the other ones as well. Thanks for watching, and I will leave again the links to some of these items down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.